Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an event in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'll wish to create an event for my Microsoft Teams community. To do that, log into your Microsoft Teams account and go to your communities that you have. From the community, choose the community that you'll wish to create an event, and I'll wish to create an event for this editors community. From here, head to far right and you should see we have an option for events. To create an event, just click on it, and now we have an option to create an event. You can just click straight from here or click on top here, create event, and now here you need to enter the details for your event. For instance, the title, this is team building. Now set the time and date, so it is on 7th, and I'll set the time from 8 and it will end on the same date, and this will take 4 hours, so by noon it should be done. Or if it is for the whole day, just choose all day. You can also choose the location here. Maybe I'll just say sports ground, and then give a detailed information about the event. For this, I'll write please come in your sports gear, like that, and it's done. Once you're done, now to send, just go to send here, and this will be sent to all the community members. If you wish to invite more people to this community, you can just copy the same and now send the copy to them to invite anyone who is not within the community. Once you are done, now you can close this. So that's how you can create events in your Microsoft Teams community. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.